Okay, the probability of one action happening is far too easy for us, so why not step it up a little bit? What if we have two things happening? What we're going to make is a sample space diagram, which is a fancy name for a chart, basically. Let's say we are going to here, the spinners on the right are spun and the scores are added together. So this yellow one is across the top. This green one is along the side. You can see here, the yellow one, you can either spin a 3, a 4, or a 5. On the green one, you can spin a 1, a 2, or a 3. Then it's going to add them together. So in here, we're summing our totals here. We're adding our totals. Okay. What is here it says make a sample space diagram, which we've done. Find the probability of the spinning a total, meaning the total number is 6. So here we can see right away, we have a 6, a 6, and a 6. Just like any other fraction, how many do we have total? How many outcomes are total? There are 9 outcomes total, 3 chances of spinning a 6. We reduce that to 1/3. Piece of cake. Let's try a question here. Question 1. Two fair six-sided dice are thrown and their scores are added together. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to make a chart here, but rather than waste your time, I'm going to pause and fill in my chart. I suggest you do the same. Meet me back here. Okay, I have made my sample space diagram. I've colored in my what this will be one dice, and this is, or die, is it? I always get that mixed up. And there's the other one. It says here, find the probability of throwing a total of 7. Take the time to make your diagram. Seriously, it's going to help you. So now I'm looking for my 7s. Here's a 7, 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 here's a 7. So how many do we have altogether? We have 6 across and 6 down, so there's a total of 36. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chances. That's 1 out of 6 chances of finding the probability of throwing a 7. Pop that in your calculator. If the pair of dice is thrown 300 times, so now you're rolling the dice 300 times, how many times would you expect a total of 7? So out of 300 times, you have 1 in 6 chance of rolling a 7. What's 1/6 of 300? That's what we're asking. Remember what this means in math language. Of means times. So what's 1/6 times 300? Remember how we do fractions? We go right across the top. That's 300 divided by 6. 6 goes into 30 5 times. 6 goes into 0 0 times. So if a pair of dice is thrown 300 times, how many times would you expect it to be 7? 50. Happy face.